Hey, did you know that the YouTube subscribe button have changed from red to black? So make sure you check it out. If yours is showing black, that means you haven't subscribed to Jeff Cowboy YouTube channel. Make sure you check it out because it's now black, and once you hit it, it's gonna be great. Welcome to Jeff Cowboy YouTube channel. Today we are working on Chevy Colorado right there, and what we are doing here, I'm gonna be cleaning this vehicle, and I have a new product. Before we go even there, let me show you some of the tools we're gonna be using here. I got the MJJC foam canon. It's right there. It's a great tool that I have here on my tool set, and together with that, today I have the privilege to show you the new MJJC soap. Is a type of shampoo that you can use to clean your car, and therefore I'm gonna be unboxing it and revealing it to you. We're gonna clean this truck using that MJJC soap and see how it works. So let's go ahead and unbox it. In the meantime, make sure you hit that red block. Make sure you hit that black subscribe button and stay tuned to Jeff Cowboy YouTube channel. Thank you for those who have already subscribed. Thank you for your support. It means a lot. Again, any tools that we use on this video, I'm gonna be sharing them on the description of this video, so make sure you check them out. Click the link. It's gonna take you where you can buy those tools, sometimes at a discount. It is a free link. And here it comes, the MJJC foam soap. It says it has a 20% bonus, and on the back here has the instruction. It says 100 ml, you mix it with 1000 ml of water. And the good thing is that the MJJC foam canon, it has some scale on it, ranging from 100 all the way to 1000. So this one here says, I don't know whether you can see, 500 and 1000. So it's easy to measure using the foam canon. It doesn't want to open. I'm just gonna use my key knife here, which comes really in handy. I'll see if I can link a link for this knife. It's easy. It's a key holder and it's a knife, look like a key. And here we go, the MJJC foam. It says super foam shampoo. We'll see how super it can be right here in a few minutes. And this will work if you have a power pressure. Doesn't matter whether you have the gas one or electrical one. I have the electric pressure washer, so we'll see. And all those tools are gonna be on the link. There's gonna be a link on the description of this video. So what we're gonna do here is just pour 100 ml of the soap, and we're gonna mix it up with 1000. I mean, on top of that we're gonna add 900 ml, so total is gonna be 1000 ml of liquid soap. See, I'm using the same knife from my key holder. I'm gonna pop a hole right there. So keep in mind, I'm gonna share a link where you can buy all these tools on the description of the video, so make sure you go there, see if you're gonna find some stuff that you might need or share with your friend. So right there, 100 ml. Need to add a little bit right there. And add water. There we go, 1000 ml. Now we are ready to spray the foam on the truck. Next you just connect, and we have this special gun here. This really comes in handy, and there's a quick disconnect. Just pop it out and pop in the MJJC foam canon right there, and we are ready to make the snow foam. Let's do it. And as you can see, that's really thick. That is thick foam that is coming out from that mixture. Look at that. And it's sticking on the vehicle, which is good because once it's sticking there, it's gonna agitate, it's gonna soften up the dirt. I've used the other soap I've always used is Mr. Soap, Mr. Pink soap, but I think the MJJC soap here has beat Mr. Pink. The foam is quite thick and it's sticking on the vehicle right there. So far so good. I like it so far. I don't know what you think. Let me know what you think on the comment section below. So after spraying it like that, I'm just gonna let it soak. The good thing, you can spray it on the vehicle, also do it on the tires and everywhere. And here we go. And one full can of the MJJC foam canon, one can go around the vehicle, the whole vehicle. The 1000 ml solution will cover the whole vehicle right there. So let me know what you think on the comment section. If you already bought yours, let me know what's your experience with it. What do you think? There is MJJC foam shampoo. Once I give it a few seconds here, and then I'll come with the rag and start scrubbing. And make sure you hit that black subscribe button. Stay tuned. Jeff Cowboy. After a few minutes, scrub the vehicle nice. I think the soap have really is soaking it, softening all the dirt. And then after that, we just rinse the vehicle and proceed with the next few steps of cleaning the vehicle. I just wanted to review to you the MJJC new soap. That is a good option for your car detailing. Otherwise, guys, I appreciate. Thank you for watching, and thank you for staying tuned. See you on the next video.